Hello everyone, today we are making chicken 65. So let's get into this video. Here I have taken a bowl. I am breaking one egg. I have taken a room temperature egg. Now I am going to whisk this well using a fork. So once we have beaten the egg, to this here I am adding 250 grams of boneless chicken pieces. To this here I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This is a super tasty starter recipe and very delicious. Please do try this recipe and give your feedback. Now I am going to add this lemon juice and I am going to keep this bowl on side. Here I have taken a mortar and pestle. Now to this I am adding 1 inch of ginger, 9 cloves of garlic. Now I am going to crush this well. Once I have crushed, I am going to add this crushed ginger and garlic to our chicken pieces. Now let's season our chicken. So here I am adding some salt. To this here I am adding half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which in India we usually say as corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and a pinch of dry red food color. Now I am going to combine this well. So it's been a long time. I've asked every one of y'all, how is everyone? And wherever y'all are in this world, stay happy, stay healthy and stay safe. So once we have combined our marinade, I am going to cover and marinate this in fridge for 20 minutes. So this is a very quick starter recipe and you all are going to definitely love this recipe. So I'm just going to keep this in fridge for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Here I've heated some oil in a kadai on medium flame and I've started to add all my marinated chicken pieces. Now we are going to fry this on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes, not more than that, because these pieces are small, so you don't need to fry them for a longer period of time, just 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Slowly and carefully, I am turning the sides in between using a fork. You can also use a spoon. But be very careful while turning the sides. Now it's been 5 minutes and our chicken is perfectly fried. I am going to keep this on side. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all these delicious, mouth-watering, easy and yummy recipes. And now we are going to repeat the same with our other marinated pieces as well. Now it's perfectly fried. I am going to keep this on side. Let's prepare our sauce. For that, here I have taken a fry pan. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of regular cooking oil. To this, here I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. To this I am adding 3 chopped garlic cloves and 1 string of curry leaves and 2 green chili which I have slit into half. To this, here I am adding 1 dry red chili which I have slit into 4 pieces. Now you need to keep the flame on low and stir this until the raw aroma disappears just for few seconds. But keep the flame on low. Now to this, here I am adding 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And that's it, our sauce is ready. So simple this recipe is. And you don't need much ingredients and it is very delicious. Now I am going to combine this well, and to this, here I am adding 2 tablespoons of water. Now I'll combine this well and wait for few seconds just so that the sauce thickens a bit. So once the sauce slightly thickens, to this I am adding the fried chicken pieces. Now we are going to combine this well. And finally, we are going to garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. So here I have taken few chopped coriander leaves. Now I am going to combine this well and we are going to switch off the flame. And a superbly delicious chicken 65 is ready. Please do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.